We have here a set of extra large springs going into this hydraulic suspension Land Cruiser, but we've managed to get the axle tilted even though it is under hydraulic pressure. So in the cabin, we've set the active height control to low, and then after we got it to, well, it wouldn't go to low, it went to neutral, but we pressed the off button so that it would reduce the pressure on the system. Then we have unbolted the drop link so that the anti-roll bar isn't under tension. Then we use this little wedgie thing and we unbolted the bottom of the hydraulic ram shock, and we just had to use this, I don't have enough hands, put that there. We had to use this little wooden wedge thing because to get it to pop off the bottom, we had to force it out at the same time as loosen it off, because this is under a lot of tension because it's bolted at the top. Then watch the breathers and the handbrake line, and you are able to jack up one side with a gearbox jack and pull down gently on this, and it will continue giving you more access on one side, which should allow us to just get this spring out using a couple of spring compressors and pop in the new ones. But doing that without some axle droop would have been uncomfortable at best. We'll definitely need the spring compressors, but being able to rotate the axle a bit has helped a lot. So 17mm bolts for the bottom of the shock, and the anti-roll bar link was a 15 and a 14, and then it was connected at the little top here with 12mm, and that was it. Any other bolts that we removed? Anything I forgot? No, I think we're good then. Oh yeah, and take the wheels off because of reasons. So I hope that's a useful reference. I'll have my manservant put in the new shorter spring. It's so convenient because it's what, 1.5 inches shorter. Yeah. It just goes straight in the hole. So that is another nice thing about these King KTRS-79s, and they're definitely tougher despite being shorter in height, and they look pretty. Not anything too fancy, but I'll put more of these reference videos on. Perhaps they will be useful to someone. Certainly it would have helped me if I didn't have to figure this out just between the two of us. Anyway, goodbye.